In this video, we will learn how to sort range in Google Sheet. So let's start. Select the column, right click of the mouse, then click on the view more cell action, then click on the sort range option. And here you can see the selected range is showing here. Sort range from B1 to B15. Data has had a row. So you can see sort by column B is selected. When you click this option, you can see that header is showing the product name. Okay, now I sort this Z to A, and if you want to add another column, you can add here easily. And I just delete it and click on sort, and here you can see the sort column Z to A. So this is a way you can quickly sort this data in Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.